Snow Castle cats here, giving the cats a treat. We don't give them this very often. This is a special treat. Probably not even every month. So we cleaned Brittany, and because we cleaned her, we could give her a treat. So we got Melody on the right there, and Brittany on the left. It's actually quite hard to
squeeze from the bottom. They squeeze from the bottom.
Yeah, but I can't with.
Otherwise, you're gonna buy plastic.
Yeah, hang on a second. Just squeeze. So they love it.
But they didn't have very often, so they're quite surprised.
Yeah, it's okay, there's a special treat sometimes. Yeah.
You took him,
Yeah. One second. I think, because she's eating it, it's all gone. Yeah.
Fluff, come. Fluff want to join. Actually, this 2 for 4, not Jade, not 2 for 2.
Well, next time. Oh, look, she's looking back on now. Alright, let's try and get this, squeeze the last bit out.
I'm going to give Fluff to taste a little bit.
Okay, Fluffy, do you want to taste some? There's not much left. I don't think that Lindsay's going to let her. We'll give Fluff some another day. Just make a fuss of these two today. Fluff? Nothing there. Want to taste? No, she likes it. Little taste there. Yeah.
On the floor.
Yeah. Oh.
They didn't see.
Yeah, okay, in a second. Oh, mucky pups, mucky pups. Oh, everyone's having fun. Oh, oh, oh. Fluff. Oh, let me taste that. Oh, is that nice?
You point for Brittany on the floor.
Okay, put it on the floor. Look, put my finger. Look, there.
When you eat.
Yeah. God, I really love it. And I can't believe how delicious this is. Right, do you want to taste that? Quick, you better be quick because Melody is going to have it. You can have some up there. Yeah. Okay guys, don't forget this bit here. There, there's a bit there. Can you see it? There, that's it. You've got it. No, there. Right, it's here, it's like that. Okay.